how to turn off notifications on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications on your iPad. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to turn off your notifications on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the settings application on your iPad. Now on the left hand side, you want to make sure that you are inside the notifications panel, and once you make sure of that, on the right hand side you should be able to see all these sorts of various options. Now iOS unfortunately does not have the option to turn or shut all of the notifications off. What you can do is you can select a certain application that you don't want to receive the notification of, and just make sure to turn off the toggle like this, and once done you will not receive notifications from those apps. Or in the lock screen, you can just customize this by going to the show previews option that you can find here, and then just select the option called never. When you select never, your lock screen will never show you any sort of notifications you receive. This way you can turn off notifications on your iPad. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.